Are you one of those people that has been working out for a very long time and you feel that you are not getting any result at all? Or let me just say you are getting few results coming out from those workout programs and you're about to give up, right? This video is just for you. All you need to do is watch to the end and find out why your fitness workout program has not been giving you the best result. We're just giving it right now. Welcome back to Sami Fitness, whereby you get maximum basic workout tips, either at home or at the gym, wherever you may be working out from. Just right here, we give you all the basic tips that you can just be using. It is actually good to be right back sitting down on this couch and definitely not out there. Feels good sitting down right here to give you all those basic tips. So right today, some of you has been working out for a very long time and you are definitely not getting the necessary result. Before I start, those things that you need to do, if you are new to this channel, don't forget subscribe and hit the notification bell so that each time I drop new videos, you will be the first person to be notified. Let's dive right into it. First thing is, a lot of you always want immediate result. So one thing I will tell you is stop expecting fast and immediate result. That is it. The fats in your body has been accumulated for a long number of years. 14, 15, 16, 17, 20 years. Don't expect that you are just going to lose those fats, those things in your body in a matter of weeks. You can't. It's never going to happen. And if you are just like that person, you started working out just 2-3 weeks ago and you already start checking your body, what is this, how is this working out, you are definitely missing the point. It's never going to happen like that. So you have to take your time, go through the exercises, go through the workout. Don't take it too fast and stop expecting immediate result, because you are definitely not going to get immediate result. You have to combine those exercises with your diet plan and things like that. Everything is all you need to do to get maximum result. I got video on those things you can eat, those things you can put in your tummy that will definitely not hinder your workout program. Check on my playlist, you will definitely have that video. You can go back there and watch it. Number 2, a lot of you have been doing this. Yeah, you've been doing that. Stop taking too much time out rest. That is what a lot of people have been doing. They take too much time out rest, and that is never going to work for you. You work out for 30 seconds and you are taking 60 to almost 2 minutes rest time. What are you doing? You're just there playing. You're not working out. You don't take too much time out rest. Now, this is what I'm going to give to you. This is what I'm going to say. If you're working out, once you complete a 30-second exercise, you just have to rest for 10 seconds, or maximum as a beginner 15 seconds. If you are having a combination exercise, for example, I love combinations. So for example, I go through jumping jacks, jump ropes and squat at the same time. I do these 3 exercises simultaneously. Once I completed 3, I'm going to rest for 60 seconds. Then after 60 seconds, I'm going to go through the workout all over again. That is how you work out. Not that you're just going to work out and you're just going to go somewhere. Just go. A lot of people go to the gym, working out, work out, finish one exercise, go somewhere, take selfie to show off that they are at the gym. Well, you have your reasons for doing that. Everybody has a reason for going to the gym, or everybody has the reason for working out right at home. But the major thing is, this is your body right here, okay? And this is what you want. If that is what you want, you got to put yourself down. You got to sweat it out, and you have to go through the pain. One thing I always tell my people is, when you don't go through the pain, don't expect the gain. You are not gaining anything. Get through the pain and you will definitely get right there. And one thing about you guys that you've been doing that has really been hindering your workout program is what you eat. What you eat matters a lot. You can work out and work out and work out and expecting results. But if what you are eating is contradictory to what you're working out for, definitely you are not going to get any result. If you're working out, stay on a low carbohydrate food. That is exactly what you need. I got some friends who say they can't live their life without rice. But I'm telling you, you can live without rice, because I got a supplement. I got an alternative for that right here. This is what I use instead of rice, the white beans. This is very, very good. Contains high protein instead of high carbohydrate. Your body needs a lot of protein to regain, to rebuild all the damage, all the necessary tissues, the tenor in your body to keep functioning well, to go along with what you are doing in your workout program. And then, if you are part of those people that just want to eat and eat and eat, well, I'm so sorry, you are definitely not going to get there. I've told you, when working out, stop taking too much time out rest. Okay, another thing that has always been hindering your workout program is when you are overzealous. I will tell you what I mean. You are a beginner and you want to keep working out as a professional. You are definitely going to enjoy yourself, and as time goes on, you're going to drop out. It's just like somebody going to school. You can't finish up and then you're going to drop out. If that is what you're doing, try as much as possible to cut that off. Choose your exercises wisely. And when you are choosing your exercises, always remember one thing. Don't go into it too much. As a beginner, 1 hour a day is okay for you. Like me, I can work out for 3 hours. I can work out for 2 hours. But you don't have to do that as a beginner. Your body needs to adjust to the exercises. And definitely, you really need that. Okay? Choose the kind of exercises you are going to do. And just try as much as possible to incorporate new exercises into it. I got more exercises right on my channel right there. You can go through my playlist and find out what kind of exercises you can just do right at home. Okay? And one of the most important part of it is, when you're working out, always have water beside you for you to stay hydrated. You will always get tired out. You need water right in your body system to get you keep you going, things like that. And as time goes on, your body will definitely adjust to every part of your workout program. If you are just working out for workout's sake, that's fine. But if you're working out to have a perfect body, to boost your immune system, to do every other part of it, then you have to follow these basic steps. Always remember, don't take too much time out rest. Those time out rest is not going to work out properly for you. Try so many exercises. Don't be so boring. Don't just keep doing one exercise all the time. You're gonna get that is really gonna get boring to you, and at the end of the day, you're just gonna tire out. Follow these basic tips, and you will definitely get the maximum result from your exercises. If you find this video helpful, just leave a comment down there, and don't forget, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever I drop new videos, you will be notified. I'm gonna see you on my next video, guys, but next time you're gonna see me out there, not right here. See you guys. Thank you for watching, and always remember, keep yourself safe, keep your self healthy, and always work it out, sweat it out, and put yourself in shape. See you next time, guys.